our mainly product is aimed to bigger products like 10 meter to 25 meters. Yeah.
然后它也会有2种测量模式。
And it contains two methods to measure.
一个是传统的接触式，像我们3次元。
Okay. First is we're using touch in the traditional way to touch your products and to measure the I'd say 尺寸 I don't know.
它可以快速量测长宽高。
Surface, right?
Yeah, the surface.
9成以上的量测它都可以量。
Okay. Okay, so it can use the traditional way to touch your products, and you can get the outcome like how high is your product or how deep is your hole or the circle defect.
每个点就是一个 sensor.
Oh, each spot is one sensor, and it's our scanner machine.
Sensor 会有28颗，一组是7颗。
Oh, it contains 28 sensor, and one set contains 4 sensor, and totally have 28.
那么多 sensor 的用处就是说，如果我今天在扫描不同的角度、范围，我都可以去做对应。就算我今天遮住一颗也可以扫。
Okay. The reason that we have many sensor is that we want to scan all of the stem from all of the angle.
Okay.
Yeah.
然后它是用雷射，它会去侦测前面的镜头。
And it uses a sensor to detect our camera. Yeah. So it will follow the machine. The camera will follow the machine. So if it detects successfully, the lights will turn to the green. Oh, one circle contains 15 laser light.
Okay.
Yeah.
然后总共有2颗，所以有30条。
And it contains two circles, so you totally have 30 laser light. Yeah.
然后我们跟一般的现在的雷射不一样的地方是，现在都是蓝光雷射，我们是用紫光雷射。
So commonly in this industry, they use blue light laser, but our products we used purple light laser.
What light?
Purple light.
Purple light.
Yeah.
紫光雷射的好处就是它的能量很强，可以扫描这2个材质，光就是反光材质或黑色，它都可以直接扫上去。
Okay. Because we use purple light, so we don't need to concern about the material whether it's black or whether it's reflect.
Okay.
Yeah.
然后现在这个扫。
It's divided in different nanometer, different energy. Yeah, because our purple light energy is much more higher.
Higher. Okay.
Yeah.
就是会有打这种网状的雷射，可是不知道手机拍不拍到。
还有网状吗？
有，可是我不知道手机看不看出来。
你怎么看不到？
You can see some lines. If you can see.
Yeah.
紫色会看得到吗？
有
吗？对，然后有
it will
30条。
contains some like spots.
Right.
Yeah.
这样的好处就是我扫的速度会更快。
And it will accelerate our scanner speed.
Okay.
Accelerate, yeah.
然后我这边有个小荧幕，可以放大去看，因为它是点群结合，然后有一个3D 程式出来。
所以它是透过很多点，然后去。
它1秒可以打240万个点。
So it
Screen.
yes, so it use many spots to like merge into many line and scan all the product eventually.
Okay, it's basically like building it on the computer
Yeah,
in a sense.
yeah. So you are typically it's like you're drawing. You're drawing. You're drawing the product.
Okay, interesting.
Yes.
And hopefully it should capture every small detail.
Yes.
From
Every small details and all to do all the measurements. Even if you need to use it for reverse engineering, it's okay. Yeah. And it's very suitable for the like 10 meter to 25 meters product. Yes. Amazing. Okay, you can see the outcome.
因为会扫到空气中多余的杂质或者是地板，我们都可以
Okay.
删掉。
Okay. You see at first we scan all the like particle in the air, so it may be contents it may be show up in the screen, but we
Okay.
can remove this.
Any like minute particles that can't be seen by the human eye, but
Yes.
this will capture that.
Or the background.
Ah,
Yeah, we'll scan the background,
Okay.
but we can choose whether we can choose the elements that we need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it even you can see the backside also, like you're able to rotate it like a 3D object.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes. Actually, like those machine and that machine is also like you can reverse into a 3D models. Whether you need to use like STO or like Kate, it's okay.
okay.
Okay, so eventually we successfully
Right.
building a very clear model.
Oh,
然
awesome.
后我们可以扫，再把机器加到后面去扫后面。
Okay. Okay.
But-
So
So it needs to be scanned from the backside also to get more of those details.
yes, and after we scan the backside, we can merge two models
Ah,
into one.
into one.
Yeah. If you already have like golden sample, and you put the other one into your stage, and you scan again, and it will show up like different parts, like the measurements or the defect. It will show up to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. In comparison to the original,
Yes, compared to golden sample.
oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
需要给它各3个相近的点，不用一定，它电脑 AI 会直接预算它的位置，然后再去贴合。
Oh, okay.
This is to identify like minute damages or
Yes.
dirt or rust or
Yes.
anything like that.
Yes. It's just like officially doing like they maybe OQC inspection or IQC inspection
Right.
to compare your products with the golden sample.
Okay.
So it only used to click 3 spots, and the AI will automatically merge to Kate, merge to like different products,
Okay.
and to check the size or check the surface.
Right.
Yeah.
So AI is comparing both
Yes.
things? Okay.
说这个平面有没有平整，
So you can see whether the surface is if it have any warpage, and to measure maybe the CO number. Yeah. So you can see the circle sizes. 这个是不对的，对不对？
NG， 因为
NG
它跟
哦
配
the
的设
cir-
计是
Okay. It compared to the golden sample, the circle size is like NG.
The variation, like different?
Different.
Okay.
Yes.
Has been. Okay.
Yes.
然后是它的圆心跟圆心的位。
It's like a deviation.
Yeah. Yeah. So we condense many like measure way if you need more information about the size, like
Right.
the how big is the circle, or how long is the circle spot to another circle spot.
Okay.
Yeah, circle center.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it gets all the minute details also, like by, like, you know, within like whatever measurement, like centimeters or millimeters.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
It's very accurate data.
Yes. Yes. It's very flexible. Yes. Huh? Probably. Yeah. It's all the like very simple introduce about our product. Yes. This product is called IMX, and it will use to like automatically measure the surface size. Like this, it's more like 2D, 2.5D. Yeah. And our new products, it can also like measure the dimension, how height is your product, and you can see it is used for. It is suitable in the smaller like material. Yeah. And it also this machine is also like use it in the reverse 3D scanner. Yes, if
For
you
smaller, like,
yeah
objects.
yeah smaller, yeah. And the last but not least, our microscope. Yeah, and I measure in like I in charge of this machine, and you can use it to like inspect the spot, defect or particle. Yes, and you can tier one angle, like if you tier the angle and also turn the state theta angle, change the theta angle to see whether the product is okay. Because in traditional
You see it only from the top-down view.
traditional microscope only will give you a top view, but we not only give you a top view, we also give you a side view, like this. Yes, and beside of the microscope, it is our element detector. So if you see a particle, you want to like analyze what actually it is. Maybe it's gold, or maybe it's copper. Yeah, so we can detect in the like normal environment. We don't need to send it into a chamber. Yeah.
That's why, like, even at this expo, it's just right out here. And
Yes.
it's a little bit,
Yes.
you don't need to keep it in a lab.
Yeah, you don't need to give your lab. Like in this way, we can detect one spot. Use it only 1 second. Yes, it's very convenient, and it's very quickly. You can see the outcome. So the machine is very suitable to put it in the maybe RD lab or like quality lab or even like the fab because you need to when you're doing the troubleshooting you need to use this machine to solving your problem effectively. Yes.
I think one more you had on the last side. Just to move the thing.
This one?
Like a control?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's electric for the stage. Electric stage.
stage, okay.
Yes. Electric stage. Yes. And we have bigger stage also. Right. Okay. It's also a 3D scanner, but you can see the parts is smaller, even smaller.
Even smaller.
Yeah, even smaller. And the like it also used like different lights to scan your product. Yeah, you can see the light is shaking
Yeah.
because you use like line scan. Yeah. Okay. So it's our KEYENCE product.